welcome back to the channel where code meets comedy and sometimes get an error in between. Today we are diving into something that's as unordered as my text right now. HTML unordered list. Yep, the UL tag, the one that helps us organize things in a way that looks like, well, we didn't organize them at all. Unordered lists are like the chill vibes only cousin of ordered list. They don't care about numbers or ranking. They just show up with bullet points. Like, we're here with the deal with it. So if you are ready to master these laid back lists, maybe add a sprinkle of humor to your code, let's jump right in. And hey, don't forget to hit that subscribe button or my unordered life will officially stay unordered forever. So let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video of HTML, I'm telling you about the unordered list in HTML. So let's talk about it and let's talk. The HTML UL tag defines an unordered and bulleted list. Okay, unordered HTML list. An unordered list always starts with the UL tag. Each list item starts with the li tag. The list item will be marked with the bullets, small bell X circles by default. This is one example it is showing you here. You can see it. Now, I am copying this example. Okay, so I am not copying it. I am writing this example on my code. So let's write this example. Okay, first of all, what we can do it here. First of all, we click on the Visual Studio Code. Then we am creating a new window. Then I am creating a one file by the name of index.html, and I am making this file in my documents. And then when I make this file here, then I am writing here doc type declaration, then HTML, then body. Then I am writing here h2 unordered list. Then I write here UL to define an unordered list. So first of all, you write UL tag, then li. In it, I am writing like apple, banana, and then in the third it's called cherry. So I am making one unordered HTML list. So let's see the output. Save it and then let me click onto the document where I save my file and then I open it. So this is called the unordered HTML list. Why? Because there is only dot. There is not any numbers. So that's why this is called the unordered HTML list. Okay. I am writing here HTML list. Save it run. So it's called the unordered HTML list. Now, unordered HTML list. Choose a list item marker. The CSS list style types property is used to define the style of the list item marker. It can have one of the following values. Value disc. Description, it set the list item marker to a bullet default. Now value circle, it set the list item marker to a circle. Number 3 square, it sets the list item marker to a square. Now none, the list item will not be marked. disc. Now when I give the list style should be, when I write here style, in the style we write our CSS code like list style tab should be disc. Now let's see the output. Save it and then run it. So the output will be coming like this. Nothing output will be coming. Okay. So like that you can do it very easily. Now circle. When you give the circle to it, so let's see the output. Circle. Save it and then run it. So the circle has been came here. You can see it now. This type of a circle has been came. So if you want to do it in the squares, you can also do it in the square. How? Let me tell you. You only write a square, so it will become in the square. Here you can see it. Now, when you do in the none, so if you want to do a no list marker, so you will also be do it using writing here none. So the no list will become here. Here you can see it. Now, not any type of marker has been coming. List marker. Nested HTML list. List can be nested. List inside a list. Like you can make a list inside a list. How? Let me tell you. You only want to do it if you make a list inside a list. To do this, you only want to write here, like when you do this, you only want to write here UL again. Then you write here li, papaya. Okay, like papaya and like watermelon. Okay, like that. And when you do this, so you will be also when you do this, so you only want to do it right here, enter. Okay, so you make a list inside a list like this. Okay, now I am removing the style. Okay, so like that you can make a list inside a list. So let's come on it here. Now save it and then run. So you can see it. I make a list inside a list. Okay, so like that you can create a list inside a list. Now note that a list item li can contain a new list and other HTML elements like images and links etc. Now let me show you one example. Let me open this example. Sorry, I have by the mistake I opened my loggy. So now here we can list can be nested in list inside a list. Here you can see it. Nested list you don't know what is the nested list. Nested list means list inside a list. Okay, then nested list means list inside a list. Horizontal list with CSS. HTML list can be styled in many different ways with CSS. One popular way is to style a list horizontally to create a navigation menu. If you want popular ways to style a list horizontally, so you can use the use the navigation menu. Now here we write like this type of one code. Now save it and run it. Here we create this type of one output like here you can see it. Now this is called the horizontal list. What this is called? This is called the horizontal list. Okay, this is called a horizontal list. This is our navigation menu. In this example, we use the CSS to style the list horizontally to create a navigation menu. Here we create a beautiful navigation menu. So here you can see it. Like that. Okay, like that you can do it. So now let's come down. Chapter summary. You can learn much more about CSS in our CSS tutorial. Chapter summary. Use the HTML URL element to define an unordered list. We learned about it in today's video. Number 2. We use the CSS list style type property to define the list item marker. Number 3. We use the HTML ally element to define a list item. Number 4. List can be nested. Number 5. List item can contain other HTML elements. Number 6. We use the CSS property float should be left to display a list horizontally. So in today's video, I talk about what are in the HTML, what are unordered list. So I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, so please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and do not forget to all the notification bell also. And come on to my channel. Where is my channel? This is my channel. Search in my channel by the name of Code with PK. And now my channel has been came here. So click on to my channel. Sorry, by the mistake I opened a website. Code with PK. Now here my channel has been opened. And now when you click it, now please complete my 10,500 subscriber. We are very near to it. Please complete it. Okay, and then when you do this, so come on it here and please subscribe my channel. And I am now I'm uploading one AI projects like chatbot and then generative AI, that all the videos. So please go and see that's all the video. Okay, and then what you want to do it, click on the playlist and access my full stack web development playlist, because we completed 73 videos very successfully as, and also access my HTML tutorial playlist. Okay, but anyways, now I give you the outro of this video in the big screen. So let's come to the big screen and let's give the outro of this video. So now let's come on our big screen and then let's give the outro of this video. Alright, that's wrap for today's unordered adventure. Now you know how to use bullet points to organize chores in HTML. Even if your own life still looks like an unclosed div tag. If you enjoyed this video, how you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments what's the most chaotic thing you will add to your unordered list. See you in the next time. Until then, keep your list unordered and your code well ordered. So good. Bye.